Hello and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at Usdjpy. So just going to have a look at our bias and to tell you where we're looking particularly at with the market in this pair. So we currently trapped between this zone here, and it's interesting to say from last week because we were particularly adamant that we was going to go short. However, we're testing higher highs right now, and with this instant bullish momentum that we've got going on here, and the slow momentum to the downside, it's quite obvious that we have a lot of momentum to the upside. So we're currently riding this as of last week. So if you did not manage to get into last week's trade, then unfortunately what we are looking at for the next move here with this pair is to wait for this market to see if it can touch to the upside here in this zone. I believe it should be just there, sorry. So in this yellow zone here, we have it at 108, 406 to 545. Now, we could expect price to either make two decisions here. So we wait for price to come up to this level. We potentially would see some a rejection if that does happen. We could also expect the 4-hourly uptrend to break and then push the downside. However, if we get closure above this level, wait for the retest to occur to the downside with wicks to the downside, no closure at all below, that would make that invalid, and then a closure to the upside, which could indicate we would getting back into our monthly wedge that we got here that we've drawn on the higher time frame. So that's not really important as of now because it's very optimistically speaking, but just for momentarily, that could happen. We're looking to see if price can extend higher than this. So if buyers are still here, we're likely to continue riding this trend. Something to point out here, we have the 4-hourly EMAs converging slightly over as well, with the momentum on the RSI pushing up as well. So let's see if we can continue to ride this USDJPY 4-hourly trend to the upside, and see if price and see how price reacts to our yellow zone here. So that will be all from us in this video. Just quickly before we leave, if you're getting any value from our videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel just for the sake of yourselves, if in case it's helping you in some way. Hopefully you are, and also you can see the future analysis that we put out and any future content. So that will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.